Good morning, everybody. How are you all? Let us continue with our chapter pivot animation. Until our last class, we have seen about the different windows elements of the pivot animation and about that pivot stick man and its dots, red dots and orange dots. If you remember, if you have not remembered, please see the video again of the previous class and continue with this video. Let's get started. Yes, children, until our last class, we saw this particular window, right? We saw about different parts of this particular window, pivot animator window. Let's just recall the first portion here at my mouse pointer is a frame control. The below that we have player control. Then this is background. To select this background, add a figure, figure control, add a frame to animation. The upper one is selected frame, timeline, figure, orange is origin handle, the gray shades are onion skin, segment handle and border of the area. Now I have the pivot animator on our screen right now. Just bring to you, yes, this is our pivot animator, right? This portion, see right now I do not have any single frame because I'm right now working on this particular frame. Now children, I'll just show you how to move it. Now I am going to move this pivot man from this side to that side. How do I do? Can I do it with the red handles? No, I said you, we have to move the pivot man, we have to click on the orange. See children, I'm telling you again, it is not about just clicking and leaving it out. You have to press the left click, keep the left click pressed and drag and drag the mouse pointer here and there, and the pivot man also will move. So I'm just clicking on this one. You can just see my left click is pressed only. I'm not leaving the left click. See, now I'll move this man. See here. And our mouse pointer should be exactly on the orange dot. It should not be like, you cannot move the man if your pointer is here and there. See, I'm trying to move it, it's not moving it. But if I put my, see my, where is my mouse? Exactly on the orange point, right? And then press the click and drag it here and there. This is what it is, right? Let me bring it back to the center. Now what will happen with this red ones? See here, I'll just click this one. See, now this portion is moving, correct? Now this hand is moving. I'll make this leg a little behind and let it be like a folded one, or let this be folded and let this be straight. And the man is a little bit, isn't it looking like going to run now forward? Yes or no? Yes, right? You can even make this hand a little back, face a little tilted down. See now, can you make it out? Yes. This is how you're going to change the pivot stick man different positions. See here, with the origin handle, we can move the pivot man. With the red handle, we move that particular segment. Segment means that particular part, right? With the see, can you see? The head is moving here and there. The hands are moving from here and there, like this, right? This is how we do it. Next. Segments. A stick figure consists of a segment. Segments are nothing but the lines, circle and images. Lines, circle and images. These segments are conducted by pivot joints. See children, one sec. Segments are nothing but lines. Can you see this line? One line between these two red dots is called one segment. Okay, the line between or the part between two red points is called the segment, or it can be see here from one red point to this orange. This one portion is called one segment. Yes, the portion which is between the two dots is called a segment, which we can move here and there. Right now, see, I want to move only this segment, so I can just use this one. See, only this segment is moving, this segment is not moving. So we call that as segment. These segments are connected by pivot joints. This red handles, these are nothing but your pivot joints, or we call them as handles. What we call them as? We call them as handles. See, a red handle appears at the end of each segment. See, After one segment, there's one handle. After one segment, there's one handle, right? These red dots are, as I said, red dots are called as handles. To rotate the segment around its pivot, click the red handle and drag. To move the whole figure, click the orange origin handle and drag it, right? I just showed you now. If I want to move whole this one, I have to do this orange color origin handle. I should use it. And to move any of the segment, I have to use this red handles. A red handle will appear at the end of each segment. See, after this is the segment starting here, at the end here is one more segment. After this segment there is this dot, after that segment there is this. So after every segment there is a dot is been set. Now why this is in blue color, why is this in red color? Why? Because this is a duplicate picture, duplicate pivot man, additional pivot man. So whenever we are having an additional pivot man in your figure, the dots for that particular pivot man will be in blue color. Why? Because that is inactive. So whenever we are working on one particular pivot, whichever we are working, that particular will be red. Now I'll just add a figure. See here. Now added. Now I have added. I am going to make some changes here. So I am working on this particular pivot man. That's why this is in red and this is in blue. Now if I want to work on this, this will turn into blue. See, I'll go and click here. I've clicked on this one, so this became red, so I can work it out. So whenever I click on whichever pivot man, active pivot man will be in red color and the other one being the blue color. Color of pivot figure. You can change the color of stick figure by clicking on color options. If you click color option, the following color window will be displayed. You can select the color of your choice. After that, click OK button and it applies to your stick figure. Now see, mostly we don't like black colors, right? I want my pivot man to be in a red color. What should I do? Can you see here selected? See, I told you if you want to control the frame, okay, if you want to control the frame, this here it is, the options. If you want to control, we have this one. If you want to play, stop and all, this is our player control. We are the player, so it's our control. Background add figure, we just now did it. If I want to add one more pivot man, I have to click on add figure. See, one more has got added. This way I can, if I want to remove, so whichever pivot man I want to remove, I have to select that. Imagine I want to remove this one, I'll just select this one and I can go here. Can you see? Because I am going to do something with the figure, so for that selected figure, whatever changes I want to do, the tabs will be available in the selected figure tab. So I have selected this one. First one is cross button, I'll delete. See, it got deleted. Yes, the same way here I have something. Can you see here some small dots are there, some colorful dots? This is our color palette. Click on this one. So our color palette will appear in front of us. Now, which is the active pivot man here? This one or this one? This one, right? Yes, because it is in red color. So if I want to change the color of this one, okay, let me pick. I'm a girl. I want to have a pink color pivot man. So I'll select the pink color. Go and select it and then click on OK. See, my pivot man became pink color pivot man. And now I want one more friend of mine and she should be in orange color. Okay, I'll take it as orange color. See, my other pivot man became into orange color. This is how you can change the color of your pivot stickmans. Stretching the segment. To stretch the segment, drag the segment handle while holding the control key on your keyboard. Now imagine I want to, okay, I'll just add a frame. See, when I'm adding for frame, the previous frame has got logged. Means it is fixed now. Whatever changes I'll do, I'll be doing in the second frame. Imagine, now I want to show this particular man is making this particular get scared. So what will I do? See, can you see, children? Now, can you see this one? What it is? It is not a pivot man. This is our onion skin. Onion skin of this pivot animator. It means that it's original. We will be able to understand which was its original place. From that original place, I want to show some difference. So here is my, here is my, this one. I want to show that this particular is getting scared of it. Okay, I want to show this one a little more bended. I will take it a little more down. Okay, this way. And I want to show this one as bigger than this. What will I do? I will keep this one. See, can you see here the onion skin of this particular one also? So it means that the original position was this much. So I have to show this one stretched. I want to stretch the body of this particular man. The leg should be here only and the body should go till here. We have seen, right, advertisement, cartoons also, they increase their hands till there. Likewise, how should we do it? We will read it once again. To stretch the segment, drag the segment handle while holding the control key. It means, imagine I want to stretch the body from here. How I should do? Press control key. Now I have pressed the control key. My control key is pressed, children. I'm not able to show you on the screen, but then it means that I have pressed the control key on my keyboard. It is there. Now take a red hand, put anywhere, whichever body part you want to stretch it, just take your mouse pointer there. My control, again I'm repeating, my control key is pressed on. My control key, I've pressed it. Now take this one. Now I have pressed this one also. My mouse pointer is pressed, my control key is also pressed, and now I'm trying to move it. See, can you see it? Yes. See, now it is like attacking. Yes. Now I am trying to attack, add a frame. See, I've added. Correct? I'm working on, now my 2 frames are ready. See, first frame, second frame, and ready. Let me play it. Let me make it more slower. See, it is as if this orange is trying to hit the, yes, it is trying to hit the pink one. Isn't it looking like that? Now I want to stop it. How should I stop? I have to go to this one, stop. Can you see? If you want to stretch any body part, you can stretch it like this way. It is. How you are doing it? Press the control key. Keep the control key pressed until you stretch your body part. Take your mouse pointer to any of the handles, red handle, and then pull it. That particular body part will become stretched one. Now to bring it back to the default length, if you want to bring it back, again the same thing, press control and bring it back. And now I'll add a frame. Let me see how does it look like. See, it is like, yes, it is like hitting. So I can make any of the movie like this, boxing movies. It will snap back to its default stage length when the cursor is close enough to the previous position. Size of pivot figure. Okay, we can even change the size of the pivot figure. You can change the size of the pivot stick figure by clicking up and down arrow button of figure scale option. Uh, you can also enter the size by using the keyboard. If you set the size 50 in the size option, by clicking down arrow, the figure size will be decreased. You can even enter the size directly by using the keyboard method. Okay. Can you see here 100? Right here also it is given in the PPT. Can you see here 100? Can you see here 100? It means, which one is my active now? Tell me. Yes, this one, red dot one is my, red handle one is my active pivot man, right? I want to increase the size of it. Like how Krishna Bhagwan increases its size. So I want to it also to increase the size. So I will make it like, I will just move the hands. I'll make it straight. What happened? My overall got started. Okay. And I will say Prabhu is standing like this. Okay. Now it will increase. So how should I increase the size of it? Children, if I want to reduce it, I can reduce it like this. See? Or otherwise, sorry, not this one. Here. Can you see here 100 here? If you want to decrease, can you see two arrows here, figure scale? If you put the down arrow, it becomes, can you see how the pivot man is becoming smaller? But if you want to increase the size, you can increase it like this. So see, I'll just show you one. Why am I adding frame? I'll just show you. Whenever I make some changes, if I keep one thing, children, whenever you make some changes, you should keep adding frame. Then only when you play it, it will look like a movie. See now how the pivot stickman size is getting increased. Yes. Yes. Can you see? Yes. Like this, you can add, or you can directly go and type the here. Like if I want to have it, like if I want to have it, instead of doing that scaling, I can directly write the number and press enter. See how the size has got increased. How the size had got increased. But I do this way, you can do it. I'll just add. Now let's see how it looks like. See how the pivot man size is increasing, right? See, it looks like it is becoming bigger, bigger, bigger. This is how, and now I'll stop it. When I stop it, it looks like this. This is how you can change the size of the pivot man. This is my idea so that it looks like bigger, and this particular culprit is getting scared. But if seriously, if you want in your pivot man, if you want a bigger size one, you can change the size from this particular tab. So with this chapter, what did we learn? We learned that Pivot Animator, Figure Animator is a unique software that allows you to create stick figure animations very easily. The stick figure can be moved by clicking the stick figures. We can move it by clicking on orange dots and dragging into the new place, new positions. You can also change the colors of the stick figure. You can change the size of the stick figures. The height can be changed by clicking up and down arrow mark, and also a portion can be stretched. So this was your chapter number 4. The further 2 chapters are also about Pivot Animator only. We will be seeing few more tools of Pivot Animator in our next chapter, in our next video, which I'll be sending it tomorrow. So until then, bye bye. Enjoy. Please download Pivot Animator. If anybody is not able to do it, please try to contact me. Send me your email ID. I will send the software through email to you people, so that it will be, but it is easily available on internet. Please ask your parents to download and give it for you people on your systems. Until then, bye bye.